Hey guys, it's Don from City Warmth in Brighton, and today we've got some exciting news! City Warmth is now officially listed on the Heat Geek Portal, your go-to place for the UK's most energy efficient heating engineers. We've been proud Heat Geeks for nearly 2 years, and now we've taken it to the next level. To earn a spot on the portal, we passed industry-leading training, tough endpoint assessments, and rigorous background checks on our work and customer service. That means that every system we design and install, whether it's a heat pump or a boiler, is engineered for maximum energy efficiency and long-term savings. And the best bit? Every City Warmth heat pump now comes with the Heat Geek guarantee, so you can be sure that it will meet, at a minimum, the performance quoted as part of the site survey. If you want the most energy efficient heat pump installation in Brighton, Hove, Worthing or any of the surrounding areas, City Warmth is the team to trust. Visit us at citywarmth.co.uk/heat-pumps or find us on our Heat Geek portal, link below, to book your survey today. Look forward to seeing you soon.